I got the city on fire. I got the hitters for hire. You know the whips is Italian.
Yeah, want me back. I know they want me back. I see them down and out.
Hey guys, GraphicFlow here, and in this video I'll be checking out cheap budget Wi-Fi smart plug which is currently under £20 or $20 depending on where you live. So with all that said, let's start the video. The packaging is really plain and has no details of the product apart from the model name. Inside the box you will find the smart plug and instructions which you should keep to set up your plug. The instructions are in English and has details on how to set up the plug through the app and to Amazon Alexa. The plug itself has minimal branding, apart from the information which can be annoying to some people. It would have been much better if they placed this information towards the place where you attach the plug to your socket. A button is also located at the bottom of the plug and is used to turn the plug on or off without using the app, which is a really good feature if your phone dies or you have no Wi-Fi. This ultra compact size is designed to keep your second socket available for use without taking a lot of space. This design is really different from the market as other smart plugs are taller and bulkier in size. From the price you may think that the quality of the product is awful, but actually the build quality is really excellent and is to high standards. The smart plug is really easy to set up with the Smart Life app. You just have to download it from your app store, create an account, add an electrical outlet, tap on AT mode as the first mode doesn't work, then hold the power button on the plug, sign into your Wi-Fi network and connect the device to the plug. After that you can rename your plug, then use it. Overall it's a simple process. The timer function can also be used to create customized schedules to automatically turn on or off any electronics which are connected to the plug. This smart plug also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. You can say a command to turn your plug on or off. I set up mine with my Google Assistant on my phone. I just went to my home control tab, searched for Smart Life and connected my Smart Life account to Google. It works well, but could have been even better with more software updates. Unfortunately, this feature only works on devices which have Android 6.0 or higher or iOS 9 or higher. And of course you can use a Smart Life app to control the plug from anywhere. You can also assign your whole family to control the plug as it has family sharing built in. Overall, I am really pleased with this product. It retails for £14 on Amazon, which is a really good price smartphone. It's small and takes up less space compared to others. The major annoyances of this product is that it leaves black marks when you plug something into it. I would recommend the smart plug for those which are looking for inexpensive smart home products and those which use Google Home or Amazon Echo in your home.
Thanks for watching the video. This has been GraphicFlow and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. They creeping right, creeping left.